My name is Nicky Bradford. I work for Reaction Engines. I'm a material scientist and a quality engineer. I work in the quality assurance department where I deal with auditing of external and internal customers. I deal with mechanical testing and coordination of metallography and mechanical testing, as well as visiting supply chain. So, what do I do on a daily basis? Well, if I wanted to look at, for example, tensile strength of a material, I will pull it in a tensile test machine so we can then study how it behaves when that particular material is subjected under stress. If I want to look at internal structure of material, I would actually cut, mount, and polish that particular material. That could be any metal or any other material. I would then polish it down to 1 micron to look at internal structure under the microscope. So, how did I get into engineering? Well, I love flying. I wanted to work with aircraft, aeroplanes, rockets, the space shuttle, you name it. I wanted to make sure that I was involved with anything that involved flying. So I was inspired by the likes of Helen Sharman and the astronauts for the moon missions and all those lovely ladies and gents who worked out to send mankind, i.e., Buzz Aldrin, Neil Armstrong, and his team, safely to land on the moon and then to bring them back home safely. So my job entails dealing with the materials that's going to be selected for the mission that it will be done for the duration of the mission. Having worked in the space and aerospace industry, I've dealt with very interesting missions. In particularly the Bepi Colombo mission that's going to explore the planet Mercury, where I was involved with qualification, testing, analysis of the chosen materials for that particular probe. So it's now on its way to explore the planet Mercury. In a few years' time, we look forward to receiving wonderful results from that mission. So I went to university, education-wise. I studied material science and technology at Sheffield Hallam University, then further degree at in industrial engineering with business system, which included robotics, automation, design, production, and manufacturing. So if I was to say, if anybody wanted to go into a career that's based in the aerospace and space industry, I humbly encourage you, go for it. It's a fantastic opportunity. It is not an easy journey. It's a journey that will come, which has many hurdles, and it's going to be a bumpy ride. But at the end of the day, you will get there. You will achieve your goal as long as you're focused and stick to your plan. You will get there in the end. I have been involved and privileged to been involved with many satellite and interplanetary exploration probes, which I've been involved with, and I thoroughly enjoy my work. It's hard work. And I play hard. It's fantastic. We have a lot of fun, but at the end, we achieve our goal. At Reaction Engines, who are currently developing the Sabre engine, which stands for Synergetic Air Breathing Rocket Engine. It will have 2 modes. It will go rocket mode, so it can deliver important payload to the International Space Station, as an example. And it will have a second mode, which will be jet engine, just like a jet engine plane, just like a jet engine, I should say, and whereby we could go to Australia, from London to Australia, within 8 hours. How fantastic will that be? And it will save a lot of time and effort, won't it? I'm also getting involved with STEM Ambassador Program, and guess what? I enjoy it to inspire the next generation of future scientists, engineers, and mathematicians. And guess what? I get to talk about materials, which I absolutely love. So I would say go for it. It's a hard job. We don't do jobs because they're easy. We do them because they're hard. And you will achieve your ultimate goal. You just have to stick with your plan. My family encouraged me. My family and friends also encouraged me to go into that field. And I hope you've enjoyed watching this short video and it has inspired you to go into a science engineering based career. Thank you.